They're trying to escape.
Single Christians, good news. ChristianMingle.com is the largest online community for Christian singles. More than 5,000 members join every day. I joined ChristianMingle.com and met my wonderful
Let's see
husband.
one.
Join today and find God's match for you. Join ChristianMingle.com today. Abracadabra. Hershey's milk chocolate with almonds in pieces. Your favorite pieces.
Oh, there it goes. Oh. I'm an evil person. I can't help it. It's so funny.
Why aren't you in there, Mama Kitty?
Oh, baby. You don't need a snack? I'll go get your food.
Add some sauce
Oh.
and some pepperoni and cheese. And Monday's dinner is now a Grand's mini pizza party. Pillsbury Grand's biscuits. Let the making begin.
They're going to walk on top of each other. Make a ladder.
Still married and you're engaged. Married.
Kelly has never lied to me. I can't say the same for Melissa.
The first ever Dance Moms reunion, Tuesday at 9. Your life, your time, lifetime.